OMG, best day ever. I could say that. Maybe. Hi everyone, I'm Wego Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wego stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what you can get for $65 from Tarte, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So last year, I saw people unboxing this and I was like, I want that, but it sells out really quick, or they only do it for like one day. I got smart. I signed up for email alerts and text messaging, and I actually paid attention. So last week, for one day only, you could do the Tarte, whatever they call the thing, where you actually get to pick 7 products for $65. I know, right? So you go to the website, they give you a bunch to choose from. It's not like, oh, pick this one or that one. Listen up, Boxy Charm on choices. So like option 1, I don't know, was like 6 different, sometimes they're similar products, sometimes they're not. Like mascara, you get to choose from a bunch of mascaras. From the concealer choice, you get it. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Let's just dive into this box, because even though I selected the items a week ago, by the way, this arrived really quickly. I don't remember. I just remember I was excited that they actually had a waterproof mascara. All right, let's dive in. All right, first item was the last item I selected, which was a bag. Now, what I didn't like about that is they just had a picture, but it wouldn't, when I clicked, I couldn't figure out, I didn't get any more details like dimensions, material, so I just was based off the picture, and it was black, which is my favorite color, and it's this guy here, which it feels like, what is that called? Neoprene? The same material they make like scuba diving suits out of, which I love the black. I don't know, this feeling, it kind of gives me the heebie-jeebies, the equivalent of nails on a chalkboard, but in a feeling sensation. But I do like the size, so yes and no-ish. Okay. Something else I gotta choose, I'm super excited, is the Tarte HYDROCEALER Concealer. And I just so happen to already own this. I think I got it in an Ipsy. And I will have a try-on video coming out soon. But I wanted to get a different shade. And I hope, did I get a different shade? Let me grab the one I already own and see if I, knowing me, I probably bought the same exact shade. Place your bets. All right. Did you place your bets? I'm going to say ish. So the one I just picked up is 14B, and the one I already own is 14N. I don't know. Do they? We'll just say I have a backup now. Okay, so this also is from the Tarte C collection, but this is Color Splash, which is a lipstick. Ooh, knowing me, I got a very light nude. Did I? I can't remember. All right. Oh, pretty packaging. It's kind of marbled. Ew. It is ish. Everything's ish. It's a little more orangey than had I seen in person, but doable. Let's do a swatch. Very peachy. All right, you know, I already have 4 products on. What is one more? I like it. It's on the lips, or maybe it's because it's over 5 products. It is very moisturizing. So if you like a bullet lipstick, that's glidey, slidey, not dry, I think you will love this. Okay, what else did I end up selecting and not remembering? Yes, okay, so this is intriguing because it says Shape Tape, but nay, it is not a concealer. This is an eye cream. And what made me select this was I love an eye cream, but the packaging, because it looked like it has the type with that metal bit that's cooling. Yes. So it has a metal roller ball. Oh yeah. Not that you can see anything. I don't see any product coming out, but it's that roller ball feeling. Very cooling. Am I removing all my concealer? Possibly. What? Come say hi. Oh my goodness. He's so big. He turned 1 on October 29th. You're not a kitten anymore. Alright, but what you are is annoying when Mama films. Okay. Cuteness factor, yes. Annoying factor, 100. Alright. Let me deal with him and I'll come right back. Okay, but I still want to know if there's like a product in here. I'm not... leave me a comment if anyone has used or tried this before. Did I get suckered into a really expensive just rollerball? Alright, I don't want to sit there all day. What else did I pick up? Yes, here is the mascara. So this is the Lights Camera Splashes. And this better be, I selected waterproof. Yes, waterproof. Okay, confirmed. Maybe that's why they say splashes, because waterproof, you want water. Yeah, okay. Ooh, interesting packaging. It's, wait, is that the packaging or do I... It's almost like it's leather. It comes, I don't know if it'll pick up. It's hard to explain. Like it's pinched on both sides. Interesting. I don't know that I like that, how it feels in my hands, but let's take a look at the wand. Ooh, okay. It is not super fluffy, but proof will be in the pudding. Smells like a mascara. Ooh, maybe this will be good for my lower lashes because I love the big hourglass fluffy for my top lashes, but sometimes not good on down below because I, get it on my cheek. Okay, yes. All right, the next item. Oh, yeah. Okay, got this one, which also is from that C line, and it's a HYDROFLEX Serum Foundation. What? You may or may not know, I have very, very dry skin. I love serum skincare, and if you throw that into a foundation, which is my favorite type of makeup, I love complexion products. How could I pass? All right, now, fingers crossed I did good shopping online for the shade, which is 14N. Okay, well, that should go well with the concealer. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, it is quite runny, but it is a serum foundation. And that looks like a really good shade match. All right, good job. Good job, me. Okay, ooh. I can't wait to give that a try. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this before. Yes. All right, and the last item, yes, an eyeshadow palette. If you were to describe me and my style when it comes to eyeshadows, this here would be it in a nutshell. Yeah, I'm a neutral kind of gal. This here is the Power Bar Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. And you get 6 pans. Let's do some swatches. There seem to be 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. Yes. All right, let's recap what you get for $65. I got a mascara, a concealer, a serum foundation, a lipstick, an eye cream, a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, and a makeup bag. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total. So again, I got all 6 of these products, 7 if you count the bag, for $65. These are Tarte. If you purchase each one individually, I bet it's going to be more than $65. All right, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my product selection. B, let me know if you've ever taken advantage of this offer. I think they do it once a year, this time of year. And yeah, let me know. I am super excited. I love Tarte. Love their concealers, which of all the products I've used the most. I'm super excited to try the Serum Foundation. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up. It would mean the world to me and really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.